Hi, this is Tammy, and today I want to give you my review about the Dermalogica Barrier Repair Ultra Calming Moisturizer. This is a product I love very, very much, and I have been using it for years. It's a very unique waterless moisturizer that helps to calm, soothe, and protect sensitive skin, and it's basically a shield that helps to fight against all the environmental but also the internal triggers that can cause stress and that can cause sensitizing the skin. And I want to show you how it goes onto the skin. It's like an almost colorless substance that really glides smoothly onto the skin and really also minimizes the pore size as well, which makes it a great canvas if you want to apply makeup afterwards. Since I've been also using it as a makeup artist in my kit, I can only tell you it is perfect as a primer. I've been using it on my clients before applying the makeup, and the makeup glides on better, it sits better, it holds longer, and it really gives you like this very smooth and radiant look over the day. It's great for everybody who has sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you don't need to be scared. It's very, very mild on your skin. It contains a lot of botanical extracts and oat, and those really help to fortify and strengthen your skin and make it deal better with all the external and internal triggers and influences that we're exposed to on a daily basis. It also contains vitamin C and E, and those are known to be natural antioxidants that fight against free radicals and also support the collagen production. So it also works below the skin surface and really works wonders there. If you have oily skin, this is also a great product for you because the layer that it leaves on your skin is really matte, so you can really erase that oily look on your face. And if you feel during the day that you get those oily patches again, usually that happens in the T-zone, then it's very good to apply it again over the makeup and just like dab it lightly onto your skin. And this is much better than applying layer after layer of powder, which just leave your skin looking all blotchy and patchy by the end of the day. And you're also doing something good for your skin because it nourishes it as well. Dermalogica is a company that has been around since 1986, so it's a very well-known and very well-established company. And these products you usually only get in high-end spas. So I can tell you this product has been tested by so many people. It's a high-end quality product, so I can only recommend this. Try it out if you want to try a good primer, if you want to have a shield against all the environmental influences to protect your skin. This is the one for you. So get it home, try it out, and I know you're gonna love it as I do. Have a good day. Bye bye.